Reykiarvik, come before their majesties. The strength and stability of the kingdom lie in these virtues of its people: prowess, creativity, and service. For if any of these are lacking, the kingdom fails. The servants of the crown, supported by their efforts and with their dedication, preserve the kingdom from extinction. Let the orders of the Pelican attend upon their majesties.
It's always the quiet ones who are in the background getting everything done, and you certainly do. Thank you. We apologize if it makes you uncomfortable to bring you into the light, but
we are minded to offer you admittance to the Order of the Pelican. Would you accept from us this offer? You have time to consider if you.
we certainly would. Okay. You have time to prepare for a ceremony, or we can do it right now. Let's do it now.
All right, is there a spokesperson?
I will speak for Ellisif and
Speak up so they may hear.
I will speak for Ellisif and for Hallbiorn. Ellisif is my protege, but our relationship was always friends first. And Ellisif basically taught me how to be a good pal. And she has served so many royals with garbing, so many royals behind the throne, so many royals with largesse. The list can go on and on and on. And of all of these, she has consistently done what she has done quietly behind the scenes. And you've had to watch her in the shadows and catch her service. Hallbiorn, you have been a light to others. You have shown the way. You have been there for people who needed a hug. You have been there for others who needed advice. You have always, both of you, conducted yourselves as if you were already peers. And it is a great honor to call you brother and sister.
I'll speak. I've known them for quite a while. Ellisif and Hallbiorn both have greatly supported and enriched the rapier community.
Nice.
You know, for everything from getting youth rapier started up in Fairbanks and running kids through there, supporting anywhere else in the principality that was wanting to run a youth rapier program, and just being great people, because you know they've always comported themselves well that I've seen, and I am definitely happy to welcome them as a peer.
Are either of you protege to one of our pelicans?
I have been protege to Mistress Campestra.
Then let this be resolved between you.
I, Nara Campestra, release you as my protege, but I do not release you as a friend.
I will manage.
Thank you.
And you are obligation free.
I'm obligation free.
Let loose and fancy free,
That's right.
except for this
One
one.
chance.
Will you now give us your word that you will henceforth comport yourself as befits a peer of the realm, and that you will attempt in all your endeavors to be an example to our populace?
Will you promise further to treat all with courtesy and to uphold the laws and traditions of our kingdom?
I
I
so
so
swear.
swear.
You may now, if you choose, swear fealty. Go ahead.
To your liaison before your peers, swear your oath.
Here do I swear by mouth and hand
Fealty
fealty
of
of
service
service
To the crown and kingdom of the West. To speak and to be silent. To come and to go. To strive and to spare. To do and to let be. in such matters as concern the kingdom, on my honor and the lawful command of the crown, in need or in plenty, in peace or in war, in living or in dying, from this hour henceforth, until the king depart from his throne,
or
death
death
take me,
me,
or the world end.
world end.
So say I, Ellisif,
So say I, Hallbiorn.
This do we hear, nor fail to remember. And we for our part do swear to protect and defend you and the noble order to which you belong with all of our power until we depart from our throne, death take us, or the world end. So swear we, Fabian, King of the West.
So also swear we, Eliška, Queen of the West.
We now proclaim you Hallbiorn and Ellisif, master and mistress of the Pelican. Is there a token?
I have one.
Okay. Will they need to share?
No.
Who is to receive this one?
on odd number days.
Yes.
I'm gonna take Hallbiorn. The lineage on this came from Mistress Bianca Rose.
Please, in front of the party.
Mistress Bianca Rose onto me. If it had lineage before that, I am not aware of it. But I am very happy to pass it on to a very dear friend.
This is kind of like, usually we'd have the concert do it. Do you want to take it on?
I would
And why don't you explain what this one is?
See, this is my pelican and necklace. It was given to me by Mistress Tana, and who calls me her stinky fish.
Her stinky what?
Her stinky fish.
Fish, okay, yes. She's from Kodiak.
Yeah. Oh. Please wear this until a time in which you find something for yourself. But for right now, please wear mine and know that you have mine.
Would you please be so
Thank you.
good?
So I'll need you to.
They can now be robed, actually.
Yes, so I'll need
because
you
the robe
to
has
stand
appeared.
very close
Has the
together.
robe actually
Because we
appeared?
only
It
have
has.
one robe.
It did pass quickly.
To wear it for 5 minutes?
Let them be robed as fits their estate.
Do you want to rock, paper, scissors, so you get it first?
Just drape it over, whichever.
This robe was made by Mistress Ellisif of famous memory, and was passed down through each pelican made in this principality.
Okay.
All right.
Hallbiorn and Ellisif, master and mistress of the Pelican, please greet your peers. Yes.
Be it known that their majesties, Fabian and Eliška, King and Queen of the West, do on this day elevate their subject Hallbiorn to the peerage of this kingdom, and do admit them to the right noble order of the Pelican. And they do grant upon them by letters patent these arms, per chevron, vert, and crucially, or and or. To bear and to hold without let or hindrance throughout their realm, done by our word in hand this 19th day of January in the 59th year of the Kingdom of the West. Fabian Rex, Eliška Regina.
Be it known that their majesties, Fabian and Eliška, King and Queen of the West, do on this day elevate their subject, Ellisif, to the peerage of this kingdom, and to admit them to the right noble order of the Pelican. And they do grant unto them by letters patent those arms that they will work with the kingdom college of heralds, to bear and to hold without let or hindrance throughout their realm, done by our word in hand this 19th day of January in the 59th year of the Kingdom of the West. Fabian Rex, Eliška Regina.
Let's close this.
Okay. Here closes the court of Fabian and Eliška, King and Queen of the West.
Thank you.
Oh, of course.
my way son.
Let the rotaculate time.